This week in AI-driven innovation, the latest 3 publications all tell the same story. AI is no longer just helping researchers summarize papers or rank ideas. It is starting to generate models, designs, and experiments that outperform legacy workflows. Across this set of posts, we see 14 forecasting models beating the CDC ensemble, 46 billion molecules searched to find a promising antibiotic, and a drug design engine pushing hard target accuracy from 23.3% to 50%. The bigger takeaway is speed. AI is shortening the distance between hypothesis, computation, and real-world validation. The most recent publication is really about AI becoming a scientific co-discoverer. Google's ERA system generated 14 forecasting models that each beat the CDC's COVID ensemble, and it also produced 40 single-cell analysis methods that topped human-built entries on a public leaderboard. The same post then zooms out to talent and commercialization. AlphaFold's Nobel laureate John Jumper left DeepMind for Anthropic, while enzyme design systems now produce working catalysts from just 35 tested sequences, with stability above 90 degrees Celsius. Put together, this publication says the edge is shifting from using AI as a helper to trusting it with core scientific invention. The second publication shows what happens when AI is allowed to search spaces that humans cannot touch directly. McMaster's SynthMol RL explored about 46 billion molecules and found a structurally novel antibiotic candidate that worked against drug-resistant staph in mice. At the same time, BIO convention data showed $11 billion went into AI drug discovery across 348 rounds in 2025, which tells you capital believes this is becoming operational, not theoretical. Then the post jumps from chemistry into reasoning, with Axiom Math verifying a proof economists had taught for roughly 50 years while also exposing holes in antitrust theory. The common thread is scale plus verification. If you find these weekly AI innovation breakdowns useful, please like and subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which breakthrough area you want me to cover next, from biotech to materials to AI for science. The third publication ties better AI models directly to faster experimental cycles. Isomorphic Labs says its ISO-DDE engine reached 50% accuracy on the hardest protein ligand targets, compared with 23.3% for AlphaFold 3. That matters because the expensive part of drug development is not just prediction, but how many bad options you can eliminate early. The same publication highlights a self-driving lab that generates about 10 times more materials data and a superconductor workflow that narrowed more than 1.3 million structures down to 741 stable candidates before confirming 2 experimentally. This is the lab automation story becoming measurable. The takeaway from these 3 latest AI-driven innovation publications is that AI for science is entering a more consequential phase. The biggest wins are coming from systems that can search larger spaces, design stronger candidates, and connect computation to verification faster than legacy workflows. That does not mean every claim is proven or ready for production. But it does mean the frontier has moved well beyond simple productivity tools. The opportunity now is in the platforms, labs, and data systems that can turn these model gains into repeatable scientific outcomes.